Welcome to Module 13. This will be one of your first modules on comprehension, and it will relate to principles and integrated approaches. You will need to read Chapter 9 in your textbook, as well as the additional reading this week by Hagman, Luchin, and Reed 2010, which is the Wrap on Reading Comprehension. If you're not sure what WRAP means, you're going to find out in your additional reading. Also, make sure you look over your PowerPoint presentation. Keep in mind these are good review tools to use as a review before you take your quiz. Also, make sure you complete your quiz for this week. There's also an additional activity that is needed for this week. You're not turning anything in, but it will definitely help your lesson plan become more interactive. I thought it'd be fun to create a fun activity or a fun way that students could take notes that relates to comprehension, since that is our topic for this module, for any content area of your choice. And keep in mind that this could possibly relate to a comprehensive strategy, but in reality, it's probably just more a game or an engagement technique to get students moving. But it will not likely replace one of your strategies unless by chance it is that notes handout and it is somehow related to comprehension and has been mentioned in our IRIS module on secondary instruction or any of our vocabulary or comprehension modules. I provided an example of this online for you called the Roll and Retell, in which dice are needed and there's questions for students related to a story. Also, keep in mind that lesson plan deadline is coming up. You should be working on that, and you should be almost done with it actually, as it's going to be due soon. After that, you should be starting to think about your comprehension strategies essay. For more on that, please visit the assignment page for your comprehension strategies essay. If you have any questions, please let me know.